1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 1 2 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Mic test. Chai nadai chai. Mic test palete chai. Mic test Skymo director Moas. Skymo director Moas, live and direct. What's up? What's going on? Hello. Rada. Hello. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Tunadai chai manzee. Mic test 1 2 1 2 3 4. 1 2 1 2 3 4. Live and direct. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Hello. Mic test. Going live. Going live. 1 2. Mic test. 1 2. Mic test. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Mic test. 1 2 1 2. Doom and gloom, way, pay, glay. One, two. Mic test, brother. Hello. What's up? Mic test. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. One, two. Mic test.
1 1 mic test.
Test 1 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Mic test. Testing, testing, testing. Testing 1 2 3. Testing, testing.
Mic test 1 2. Mic test 1 2. Mic test 1 2. 1 2 1 2. Mic test 1 2. Eh? Mic mic test. 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 Yonge. Mic test. Mic test. Mic test. Mic test. Mic test. Mic test. 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. Inaongea. Mic test. Skymo. Skia. Skymo. 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 Sinaenda hapo ndio ingie. Skymo. 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 Mic check. Mic check. Skymo. Skymo. Welcome Skymo. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check.
great learning environment, great students, great teachers. Yeah, so coming down and find your first year. Skymo Creative Training Institute, empowering skills and creating leaders. Okay, some of our courses, these are a lot by the way. Include, we've got computer studies, video got DJing, we've got film and media production, we've got graphic design, we've got animation, we've got video editing, we've got ICT, digital journalism, we've got it all. So come to Skymo Creative Training Institute and find what we see. Our contact info is on the screen provided or down here. You can see our social media platforms. We've got Skymo Creative Training Institute at Gmail, that's our email, and we've got 2 phone numbers right over there, 0113 3343 or 0724 333313. Skymo Creative Training Institute, where creativity becomes a profession.
Igual sale na kuomba.
Yeah.
What are you studying?
Videography and photography. As in film yote.
So tunafanya filming pamoja. Tuko hapa for 1 year. Perfect. Here we have a beautiful lady called Rita.
Hi guys, I'm Rita from Skymo. I love everything that happens in Skymo. It's a very beautiful place. Everything doing with the production and everything that is happening behind me. It's an amazing something. So just try out. Please give yourself an opportunity so that you can get yourself some amazing job, because we don't just learn, we have practical classes. So come on to it.
I love that. Thank you so much. George.
Yeah.
Tell us something.
Welcome to Skymo. Here you don't only learn, but we have fun. A lot of fun. Yeah.
Where did you go last time?
Mount Longonot. Ilikuwa fun. Ilikuwa very fun.
All right, let's come to where's our here are our twins. These are our twins. All right, who's going to talk? You see? So who's going to talk? Tell us. What did you learn?
Free media production.
Media production.
Yeah. Fine. Although I'm very passionate about it, and I'm ready to serve and to make fun. Yeah, it is a good school, creative school, which motivates and which inspire a passion from any student.
Thank you so much. Major.
Wagwan. Welcome to Skymo. Huku kila kitu ni free. Kwanza leo tuko na fun day. Tunasikia poa. So Kiingereza mimi nafanya film and media production.
Ikoje?
Iko on top. Yeah. Siwezi sema kitu kingine. Naona mkikaa na surprise. Wenye wanakaa macho wakisikia video kuna surprise nitawaambia siku. Sitaki kuenda sana.
And all the students, huyu ni George Freaky. Huku je hapa tuonyeshe kamera.
Halo. Mimi naitwa Freaky. Naitwa George. I'm a photographer. Mimi ndo photographer leo. Skymo mtajibamba. Everything is free wifi.
Mimi nasoma DJ.
Nitakuaje?
Nitakuwa tu poa. Ama niwadhikithe kidogo?
Dhikitha kidogo.
Haina haja. Tulia.
Naitwa Small Koi. Hapa Skymo ni kupoa, ni kufiti, ni BA, mkuje.
Watasoma nini?
Kuna courses mob, kuna video editing, photography, kuna videography, film and media production, motion graphic, kuna mingi, DJing.
So wakuja watasoma.
Wakuje.
Malcolm tulifanya movie na yeye.
Waicheki bedhe. No, aliza swali.
Sema something.
Watu wakam Skymo. Skymo Creative Training Institute iko top. Wakuja wasome. Watasoma.
Hebu tuambie Mwasi. Students.
Hi, my name is Mars. Karibuni to Skymo. I came just recently and I'm very, very happy. And it's worth coming to this school.
What about the students? Are they friendly?
Very, very friendly. You'll never feel like an outsider. I was welcomed with open arms by everybody.
Perfect, eh?
Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Morgan. I'm here as a student. I'm a photographer and a videographer. And
Tell them where we went. The other day, where were we? Where were you going?
last time we are in Mount Longonot. We enjoyed. You see the mountains. You see even animals. Yeah.
Great.
My name is Joseph Moneki Keara. I'm also I'm doing film production, and I'm also a photographer. JMK Photography, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok.
Great. And all this is through Skymo Creative Training Institute.
And guys, we're having fun. Skymo Creative Training Institute. You are all welcome. Yeah, you can join us. Digital journalism. Journalist Mohamed Ali hapo hivyo. Yeah.
Let's hear what you are studying. What are you studying?
I'm studying videography na photography. So naweza sema Skymo mtu anajibamba kilan vitu anafaa kulan. and you'll be very ahead of your game the moment unatoka hapa. So
Good. Roxy.
Roxy mwenyewe. Actually happy to be at Skymo, studying media production, and hopefully put into practice. Na pia manze, if you know you're passionate about media and film or journalism or DJing, come to Skymo. Skymo is the best place to be, and it's where we create leaders.
Okay, here we have Sebastian. Sebastian, people who don't live around here, what can you tell them when they come to Skymo?
Wewe ukikuja tu Skymo, huku maploti ziko, ukikuja tu naza medi huku kuko fiti.
Mtu atapata mahali pa kuishi?
Nyumba ziko fiti, unaweza pata kuna maji ndani, luz ziko ndani. Kila kitu iko ndani tu, kuna tu vitu fiti, ukikuja tu Skymo ni mali safe.
Sawa sawa. So what we are hearing here is that hata ukikuja hapa Skymo na uishi hapa, utapata mahali pa kuishi, nyumba ziko. So please come over, hata kama hamuishi around here, come to Skymo. Ziko kibao. Perfect. This is our online ambassador from the US. Tell us something. Introduce yourself and tell us something.
My name is Joanne Yambuda, and I'm here to help people come and join Skymo Creative Training Institute to come and join.
So you tell them to come and learn online classes? They can do online classes.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good. So we also have online classes. We have our ambassador here, who has just told us what she has experienced. So if you're out there and you want to learn, please get in touch with us. We'll arrange everything for you. Hello everyone and good afternoon. Greetings from wherever you are. My name is Susan Kamau. Hapa tuko ni Skymo Creative Institute, na hapa Skymo tunafanya very many courses ambazo nitawaonyesha pale nje. And we've had a very good session on cybersecurity, and also to let you know that it's an institute that is TVET accredited, and you can bring in your children, and you can also bring in